What's up, everybody? Hey, check it out. It's me back again, Robert the Cook, baby. Check it out. This is my hamburger. This is the one where I grind up my meat myself, 80-20 with a little bit of the hot sausage, you understand me? Hey, look, check it out. This right here, this gonna be my little simple hamburger. You know, I got my own little twist on it. You already know how that go. It's what I do. Now check it out. Now this hamburger meat, I told you I do all my own everything. This hamburger meat, I grind it myself. I put what I want in it when I grind it. The only thing I didn't do to this particular one is season it, because I don't know if later on I wanna make a meatloaf or I wanna make a taco. I don't know. So, but today, we're gonna do hamburgers. I'm gonna add a little butter to the skillet. I already got, this is where I cook my bacon. So I'm using a bit of this bacon grease in here too. It's all about that flavor, man. You gotta build that thing up, you hear me? Push that down like that. Check it out. Take this cheese. You gotta, just like that and like that. That's it. Boom, set him in the middle. Set him in the middle, just like that, in the middle. Now peep gang. So now, flatten that out just a little bit. Just a little bit. We're gonna put him on top like that. See what I'm saying? Mash him down and kind of smooth it around a little bit. Now usually, sometimes what I do, just to make sure it's sealed, I put a little water on my hands and run around these edges. You know, and get it, you know, so it's gotta be moist. If Chef Gordon Ramsay was here and he seen me do this, he'd have a heart attack. You say, oh, that's a big burger, yeah. I'm a big fella, yes, there be. See, it's going. Y'all like my new little cooktop thing? Yes, there be. Oh yeah, we going places. See, now one thing about beef, it ain't ready to do anything till it moves on its own. See how this one won't move and it was in there first? And this one is moving? You don't want to disturb it. Because if you make it move before it's ready, keep that on hot, you'll tear the burger apart. The cheese will go all over the place. It'll be all crazy. And then, you know, it's still going to get ate, but it ain't going to be good. We're going to start off with a piece of cheese already on here, right? Just like that. Now look, that's another bottom. We're going to go to a top. See how it's all nice and toasty like I was telling y'all? You know what I mean? We're gonna put a little bit of sauce on here. You know, you can't go wrong with the sauce. Man, I could eat a bucket of this sauce just like it is. We're gonna set that right there. You understand me? And get us a nice little piece of lettuce. Put that on there. You dig? We're gonna put us a little tomato on that thing. You understand me? Like that right there. Matter of fact, hold on. Let me get, I forgot all about this perfection right here, you understand me? These caramelized onions. And these onions, I don't know if I told y'all or not, but I cooked them down in some butter. And I did put a little tad bit of cumin in those. And a little bit of that sea salt, a little bit of that cayenne, some real butter. We got that thing going just like this, you hear me? And then boom, right there. Now in case you was wondering, that's a hamburger. Uh-oh, I think it works, y'all. Woo-hoo-hoo. Woo! What do we have here? If that ain't a hamburger, I don't know what is. You hear me? Going all the way through. Now look here. I know I didn't put the bacon on there yet. So I'm gonna make y'all another one. Let's set this down. Let's do this again, just in case you didn't see it the first time. Put that sauce on there, right? Another burger. Get you some of this beef bacon. Get you some more of this lettuce. Got to have them onions. Then you want to take you a couple of these. Ooh, he trying to run. Ain't no use to you running. You might as well sit on right there. This is a complete burger. Boom. Huh? What? Somebody say something? Hold on. Hold on. Look. I heard something. What they say? Mama, here come that man. I'm right here. Check it out. Right here. Again. Cheese, please. Yeah. Yeah. Man, y'all better stop playing with me. Y'all know what I do. Huh? Man. Now I don't have a choice. I gotta take a bite of this one too. Huh? Alright. And here we go. You see that smack? Now listen, but right now, I got to go because I'm starting to sweat a little bit because I can't eat this fast enough. And, you know, I got to be all, you know, polite and everything on camera. So, peace, baby. Who's better than us? We gone.